Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a practical DIY project that can save your laptop from overheating. A custom-built cooling pad. Overheating is a common issue, and this simple solution can make a big difference. We'll be using materials you probably have lying around the house, so let's get started. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need a cardboard box. A shoebox works perfectly. We'll also need 2 old computer fans. If you don't have spares, you can often find them cheaply online or at a computer repair shop. Then, grab a USB cable. It'll be our power source. Finally, we'll need some basic tools. A utility knife or scissors, a hot glue gun or strong tape, and a ruler or measuring tape. That's it. Let's begin. Okay, let's start with the cardboard box. The size doesn't matter too much, but it needs to be large enough to accommodate your laptop and the fans. Now, measure the diameter of your fans. We need to cut holes in the box that are just slightly smaller than the fan's size. This will allow the fans to fit snugly, and we can secure them later. Next, use your utility knife or scissors to carefully cut out the holes. Make sure the holes are clean and even. Precision here will result in better airflow, so take your time. If you want, you can make a slanted stand for your laptop by cutting the cardboard box at an angle. This can improve airflow and make typing more comfortable. A simple trick is to cut triangles from extra cardboard to act as legs, securing them with hot glue or tape. Now, let's wire the fans. We'll be connecting them in parallel to the USB cable. This means that both fans will receive power simultaneously. Locate the positive and negative wires on each fan. Often, the positive wire is red, and the negative is black. But double-check your fan's labels. Strip a small amount of insulation from the wires. Then, twist the positive wires from both fans together, and the negative wires together. Secure these connections with electrical tape or heat shrink tubing. Next, connect the USB cable. Cut off the end of the USB cable that plugs into a computer. Strip the insulation from the wires inside the cable. Identify the positive and negative wires. The color coding can vary, so consult an online guide if necessary. Connect the positive wires from the fans to the positive wire of the USB cable, and the negative wires to the negative wire. Again, secure these connections. Time to assemble. Place the fans inside the holes you cut in the cardboard box. Ensure that the fans are blowing air upwards into the laptop. This is crucial for cooling. Use hot glue or tape to secure the fans in place. Make sure they are firmly attached. Now, let's test our cooling pad. Before we plug it in, let's take a temperature reading of your laptop. You can use a temperature monitoring program on your computer. Note the temperature, especially around the CPU and GPU. Then, plug in your cooling pad and let it run for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, check the temperature again. You should see a noticeable drop, especially under heavy load. And there you have it, a DIY laptop cooling pad made from common household materials. It's a simple, effective, and budget-friendly way to keep your laptop cool and running smoothly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY projects. See you in the next video.